Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve a problem in Python which states that find a distinct pair of numbers whose product is odd from a sequence of integer values. And so in this problem we are using as given a list for stating the sequence of numbers, which can be like this. Here it is a sequence of number in a list, and as it is said, we have to find odd product from the given elements of this list. So we have to multiply each digit with the respective elements. So for that it can be like 2 multiple by 4, which gives us 8. It is an even number, so we move to the next round, which is 2 multiple by 7, which gives us 14. It's also even, and so like this we do such multiple with each and every element of this list. After completing that, we see there is no number which gives us an odd product, so we move to the next index, which is 4, and multiply like the same in previous, which gives us this and this, and we can see that they are not a single odd product obtained by multiplying 4 with further digits. So we move to the next number, which is 7, and let's see what happens. So it gives us an odd number, and multiplying with 7 to 9, which is 63, and it's odd product. So for solving this, we have to state if the list gives us a odd product, we return true, and if do not give any product odd, we return false. So for this, let's get into the coding of this program. Roll the intro. So here we are in this coding round, and for that, so here we are in the coding round. So for that, we have to create a number of test cases we can take in this problem. So for that, I have to take a variable named t, which can be int, which gives us the number of test cases we want, and insert in the for loop, which allows us to enter the multiple sequence of list or sequence of number in a list. So for that, this gives us a number of allows to make the number of test cases. For that, creating a list, we use num, and then for creating the list, we use a list with for loop, which can be written like this: num equals to int x for x in input and split. This allows us to create a list of how many numbers we want, as many numbers we want to make the list, and so, and then now get in the printing the statement, which we'll create in further, that is print num, print the list, and if it is a give us the odd product, it returns odd prod num, which we are going to create in the next. Okay, we have completed the driver code, that is, you can write here driver code, and so let's get it in the main logic. Creating a function which name as odd product and giving this variable n. And now for checking the product with others number, we have to create two for loops. For that, for I in range length of a list, and for j in range length of list. This will create two loops for I and j, which will move further and further, and in the main code we have to write what we are going to do. For that, we create a if condition. If the ni product n j mod 2 not equals to 0, return true. If not, then return false. That's very simple. And now let's test the code as it is written. If the product is odd, it will return true, and if any of the product is none of the product is odd, then it will always return false. So let's get in the coding. So let's take the same example as before. We write 2 4 7 9 3 3 okay 3. We get error end with this 10. Okay. Oh, first we have to write the test cases. Sorry for that. Okay, 1 4. Write 2 4. What are the numbers? 2 4 7 9 and 3. Gives true, as it is written that it will give us true in the result, and it will give the true, and so we can create the program for finding the sequence which gives odd product with the pair of numbers. So that's all for today, folks. This is the code, and if you like this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for further updates whenever I publish a new video. And if you like this video really, then please click on the like button and comment if you want any other programming language or other program of Python. Until then, goodbye.